Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to find dropshipping suppliers on AliExpress. You need to make sure that your supplier is very reliable, and to do that you need to check store's reputation. So you need to look for sellers with at least 95% positive feedback. If you enter some seller's profile at the top, you will see it right here. And also look for products that are rated above 4.7 stars. Then let's go back and enter reviews section. Pay attention to reviews, and especially to those ones with photos, because they can show you real quality of the item, and not just those polished videos and photos that usually sellers provide you. What else? It's also very smart to pay attention to sales number right here, because if a product has hundreds or thousands of orders, then usually it means that other customers trust this seller. And do not forget about communication with the seller, so you always need to check it before making it your supplier. I recommend you to go to chat with seller. At the bottom left corner you see message icon, and here type your little question to the seller, so that this way you can check how fast and clearly the seller will respond to you. And finally, you should check shipping options and stick to AliExpress standard shipping or other delivery methods that support tracking. And if you're serious about working with this supplier, you should place a small test order for yourself, so that you can exactly know what your customers will receive from your store. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.